Pastor John, Elder John Hale and Lady Hale, God bless you. Wanted to let you know how proud we are, godly proud we are of the work that you're doing there in the Keystone area. We want to celebrate with you as the church celebrates 89 years of ministry in that part of the vineyard. This homecoming celebration, this church celebration, regret not being able to be there with you in person, but just wanted to let you know that we are godly proud of the work that is being done there, the impact that the church has had in that community over the years. And so God bless you. God bless you. And again, God bless you, Midway Shiloh Temple, Elder Hale and Lady Hale. We look to see you sometime real soon.
Grace and peace, everyone. It's my pleasure to offer this congratulations to those of you who are members of Midway Shiloh Temple. That's the church my mother got saved in, and that was, the church she was the first member of under Bishop B.T. Jones. I thank the Lord for the work that you've done and for sustaining those of you who have held on. Such fond memories of that church and the saints who have gone on before, relatives of mine who have been attending, and members. Elder Hale, I want to congratulate you and thank you for the work you've already done, and all the members of the congregation in 89 years of celebration. Again, my congratulations and Godspeed to you. By the blood of Jesus Christ, continue in the name of the Lord.